Good morning everyone. A very good morning to you all. Students, in our previous class, ma'am explained you how to write alphabets from A to Z. Isn't it? Have you remember? Yes. But today we are going to know how to write alphabets with phonic sounds. Okay? So are you ready? And you also speak with ma'am. Okay? Now let's come with me. See. First कौन सा alphabet है? See? A. Which alphabet is this? A. A का क्या sound है? A. A says A. A. Remember? Ant. Ant. Clambing on your hand. Ant. Clambing on your hand. A. A says A. Remember, A says A. Which alphabet is this? A. A says A. Ant. Ant. Climbing on your hand. Yes? Okay. What's come after A? B. 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 Remember? B. What's come after A? B. 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 B says B. B. Okay? Remember, B says B. B for ball. B for ball. B for bat. B for ball. B for bat. Okay? B says B. B. Okay? So, which alphabet is this? B. B. What's come after A? B. B says B. Always remember, B says B. Okay? Now see. Which alphabet is this? C. C. What's come after B? C. C says K. 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 Cat. Cat says meow. Isn't it? So, C says K. 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 Okay? Remember? K. 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 Okay? C says K. Okay? What's come after C? D. Dum, dum, dum. D. D says dum. Dumb. Dum. D says D. D. Drum. Make standing line, then make a curve. Drum. Dum, dum. Drum. Got it? What's come after D? E. E says eh. 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 What is the sound of E? Eh. What's come after D? E. E says eh. Remember, eh. Elephant. Egg. Okay? Okay. What's come after E? F. Fish. Fish. What's come after E? F. What is the sound of F? Okay? C. What's come after F? G. 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 Remember? G. 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 G for G. 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 Gun. Isn't it? G. G says G. Okay. What's come after G? H. 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 Which alphabet is this? H. And what is the sound of H? H. H. Speak. H. Remember. H. H. Horse. Okay? Now see. What's come after H? I. I says E. I says E. What's come after H? I says E. E. Remember E. E. Ice cream. Okay? Now see. Which alphabet is this? What's come after I? J. 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 Remember? J. J says J. Jam. J for Joker. So J says J. 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 What's come after I? J. J says J. What is the sound of J? J. 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 What's come after J? K. K. Kite. Kite. Remember, kite. K says, see, what's come after J? K. K. K says, K. 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 K says, K. What is the sound of K? K. K. Okay. Now see. What's come after K? L. L. Lion. L. 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 Remember. L. 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 Okay. Now see. L. Which alphabet is this? L. L. Remember. L. Got it, everyone? L. L. L says L. Okay. Now what's come after L? M. 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 Monkey jumping from the tree. Yes. M. What's come after L? M. Goes up, coming down, again goes up, then again comes down. Which alphabet is this? M. M says M. 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 Monkey. Yes, jumping from the tree. Okay, what's come after M? N. N. What is the sound of N? N. See? N. Standing line going up, slanting line coming down, then again standing line going up. N. N. What is the sound of N? N. 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 Nose. Okay? Now see. What's come after N? O. O. Just see, your mouth goes round and round. Speak O. What is the sound of O? O. 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 O for orange. O. 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 Round, round, circle. Okay? What's come after O? P. 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 Parrot. P. 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 Remember P. 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 P says P. What's come after P? Q. Q. Round, 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 round. Circle. Q. Q says Q. Q. Remember Q. Okay. Now see. What's come after Q? R. R. Got it? R. See? R. What's come after Q? R. And R says R. 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 Ragging. R. Dog. R. R. Okay? R. What's come after R? S. 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 What is the sound of S? S. Snake. S. Okay? Remember everyone? S. S. What's come after S? T. 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 What's come after S? T. 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 Tap. Tapping. Tap. 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 Okay. What's come after T? U. U. U says umbrella. U says Umbrella goes up, 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 up. U says up, 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 up. Okay. What's come after U? V. See how to write it? V. Slanting line coming down. Again slanting line goes up, up, up. V. V for van. V. V says V. Okay? See? V, 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 V. Okay? What's come after V? W. W. W for watch. V. What is the sound of W? V. V, 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 V. Goes down. Again goes up, 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 up and stop. W says V. V, V, V. Okay. What's come after W? X. 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 What is the sound of X? X. X. X for Xmas tree. What's come after X? Y. Y says Y. 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 Yuck. Y. What is the sound of Y? Y. Y. What's come after Y? Z. Z. Z says Z. Z says J, 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 J. Okay? Now let's revise it again. A says A. B says B. Remember bat, ball. C says cat. C says cat. D says d. Dum 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 duh. E says elephant. F says fish. G says gun. H says what is the sound of H? What is the sound of I? What's come after H? I. E. What's come after I? J. J says J. What's come after J? K. What's come after K? L. Which alphabet is this? M. M says monkey. Climbing on the tree. What's come after M? N. One little nose. No. What's come after N? O. Round, round, circle.